Namaste, Himesha Kushro, myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVW. Today topic is Kalika Medicine, Part 1, Carbonate of Potassium. The weakness characteristic of all potassium salts is seen especially in this with soft pulse, coldness, general depression, and very characteristic stitches which may be felt in any part of the body or in connection with any affection. All polypains are sharp and cutting, nearly all better by motion, sensitive to every atmospheric changes and intolerance of cold weather. One of the best remedies following labor miscarriage for consequent debilitated state. Early morning aggravation is very characteristic. Fleshy aged people with dropsical and periodic tendencies, sweat, backache and weakness, throbbing pains, tendency to dropsy, tubercular diathesis, pain from within out, end of sting character, giving out sensation, fatty degenerations, stinging pain in muscles and internal parts, twitching of muscles, pain in small spot on left side, hypothyroidism, bronchitis, mind symptom, despondent, alternating moods, very irritable, full of fear and imaginations, anxiety felt in stomach, sensation as if bed were sinking, never wants to be left alone, never quiet or contented, obstinate and hypersensitive to pain, noise, touch, head symptom, vertigo and turning, headache from riding in cold wind, headache comes on with yawning, stitches in temples, aching in occiput, one side with nausea, on riding in carries, loose feeling in head, great dryness of hair, falls out, eye symptoms, stitches in eyes, spots, gauze and black points before eyes, lids stick together in morning, swelling over upper lid like little bags, swelling of glabella between brows, asthenopia, weak sight from excessive sexual indulgence, on shutting eyes, painful sensation of light penetrating the brain, ear, stitches in ear, itching, cracking, ringing and roaring, nose stuff up in warm room, thick fluent yellow discharge, post nasal dropping, sore, scurfy nostril, bloody nasal mucus, crusty nasal openings, nosebleed on washing face in morning, ulcerated nostrils, mouth, gums separate from teeth, pus oozes out, pyorrhea, apathy, tongue white, much saliva constantly in mouth, bad, slimy taste, throat dry, parched, rough, sticking pain, edge from a fishbone, swallowing difficult, food goes down, esophagus slowly, mucus accumulation in the morning, stomach symptom, flatulence, desire for sweets, feeling of lump in pit of stomach, gagging, dyspepsia of old people, burning acidity, bloating, gastric disorder from ice water, sore irritations, nausea, better lying down, constant feeling as if stomach was full of water, sore, vomiting, throbbing and cutting in stomach, disgust for food, anxiety felt in stomach, epigastrium, sensitive externally, easy choking when eating, epigastric pain to back, abdomen symptom, stitches in region of liver, old chronic liver troubles with soreness, jaundice and dropsy, distension and coldness of abdomen, pain from left hypochondrium through abdomen, Must turn on right side before he can rise. Rectum, large difficult stool with stitching pain an hour before. Hemorrhoids, large swollen painful. Itching, ulcerated pimples around anus. Large discharge of blood with natural stool. Pain in hemorrhoids when coughing. Burning in rectum and anus. Easy prolapse. Itching. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.